Hi! For today's video, we're going to discuss about the heat of fusion and heat of vaporization. Heat of fusion. It is the amount of energy required to change the state of matter of a substance from solid to a liquid. It's also known as enthalpy of fusion. Its units are usually in joules per gram or calories per gram. It can be calculated using heat energy is equals to mass times the heat of fusion. Example problem. What does the heat in joules require to melt 25 grams of ice? So, useful information there is heat of fusion of water is equals to 334 joules per gram. The solution is to use the formula heat energy is equals to mass times the heat of fusion, which is 25 grams times 334 joules per gram is equals to 8,350 joules. Therefore, the amount of heat required to change 25 grams of ice into water is 8,350 joules. Note that heat of fusion is associated with no change in temperature but only a change of state. Heat of vaporization is defined as the amount of energy that must be added to liquid substance to transform a given quantity of the substance to gas. It is from liquid to gas as its boiling point. The formula to calculate the heat of vaporization is heat energy is equals to mass times the heat of vaporization. Example problem. What is the heat in joules required to convert 25 grams of water into steam? Useful information there is that the heat of vaporization of water is 2,257 joules per gram. For the solution, use the formula heat energy is equals to mass times the heat of vaporization, where 25 grams will be multiplied to 2,257 joules per gram, which is equals to 56,425 joules. Therefore, the amount of heat required to change 25 grams of water into steam is 56,425 joules.